Hello, good evening everyone. So, today I am in my field. So, by seeing this, let me say you all one Psalms chapter 91. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust. Surely He will save you from all forms and from deadly pastures. He will cover you with His wings, and under His wings you will find refuge. You are not fear about the terror of the night, nor the arrows that falls by the day, nor the plague that destroy midnight. 1,000 may fall at your side, 10,000 at your right side, but it will not come near to you. You will only observe with your eyes and see the punishment of the wicked. If you make Most High dwelling, then no harm will overtake you, or no disasters will come near your tent, for He will command His angels to conquer you. In all your ways they will lift up you in their hands, so that your foot does not strike a stone. You will tread on the lion and the cobra, I will trample the great lion and the serpent, says the Lord. I will refuse him, for he acknowledged my name. I will be with him in trouble, and I will deliver him and show him my salvation. So, thank you everyone.